In this video, we review Merrill Edge Brokerage Account. Have you used Merrill Edge Brokerage Account before? What was your experience? Leave your Merrill Edge Brokerage Account review in the comments section below. Did you know that Merrill Edge, a subsidiary of Bank of America, was once known as Bank of America Investment Services? This rebranding in 2010 signified a shift towards a more digital-focused approach to investing. Another intriguing fact is that Merrill Edge offers a unique feature called Stock Story, which provides a comprehensive overview of a company's financial health, industry trends, and analyst opinions. Merrill Edge has garnered a reputation for being a reliable and user-friendly online brokerage platform. It caters to a diverse range of investors, from beginners to seasoned professionals. One of the most significant advantages of Merrill Edge is its commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options. This eliminates a major cost barrier for many investors, allowing them to allocate more of their funds towards investments. Additionally, Merrill Edge offers a wide selection of investment products, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and options, providing investors with ample opportunities to diversify their portfolios. The platform's user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it accessible to investors of all levels of experience. Merrill Edge also provides a wealth of educational resources, including research reports, market analysis, and investment tools. These resources can be invaluable for investors seeking to make informed decisions and enhance their financial knowledge. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach to investing, Merrill Edge offers advanced trading tools and platforms, such as MarketPro. This platform provides access to real-time market data, charting tools, and order types, catering to the needs of active traders. However, Merrill Edge is not without its drawbacks. One common criticism is its relatively high margin rates compared to some competitors. This can be a significant factor for investors who intend to leverage their investments. Additionally, while Merrill Edge offers a decent selection of investment products, it may not have the same extensive range as some other brokerages. Another point to consider is Merrill Edge's customer service. While many users report satisfactory experiences, there have been instances of slow response times or difficulty reaching customer support. This can be frustrating for investors who require timely assistance. In conclusion, Merrill Edge is a solid choice for investors seeking a reliable and user-friendly online brokerage platform. Its commission-free trading, wide selection of investment products, and educational resources make it an attractive option for both beginners and experienced investors. However, potential users should carefully consider factors such as margin rates, customer service, and the availability of specific investment products before making a decision.